What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. I'm at the headquarters right now working on my platform for the container conversion. So just wanted to give you an idea. I'm sitting here working on this one now. Got my wood in. I actually got to do a little bit more trimming and put my screws in. So I'm getting everything lined out to install it. So my goal is to get everything pre-ready, and then I can take everything off instead of the staircase part, you know, the wood. Once they down, they'll be down because none of that has to move. I'll be welding on this lip back here, and then the staircase hit this lip here in the front. So I got an inch, well, inch and a half here, and then I have the same on the other end once I install it. But it's all about utilizing what you have. So that's what I'm doing today. Getting everything done, doing a little fabrication, and like I say, proper preparation prevents piss poor performance. So if you got the time to do it right, take your time, get it done, and work on your products over talent. HogOn.